What is going on, guys? Just an OVO update, back again with another video. As you guys can see behind me, we got the two contestants in today's video. As you can see, we got them already blindfolded. We're gonna be putting multiple items such as bear bricks, shoes, and OVO clothing, and we're gonna see who could guess it first. So it's gonna be a bit of a challenge, but we got Eris. Eris, say hello. Welcome.
Yo, what's good, everybody?
So I'm gonna go with Isaac to pick out a few items, and then we're gonna see who can get it first. All right, so these guys were overheating, so we're gonna give them the bandanas. Put them on. Me and Isaac, we're picking out things that we're gonna put in the video. We're gonna do both the CLB hoodies. Oh yeah, we'll do both of these as well.
Do one.
And both Roots jackets. A little sneak peek into the collection.
Collection video coming soon.
Collection video coming soon, maybe, we'll see. So it's gonna be first to 6 points. Whoever guesses the item first is gonna get the point.
Color?
You have to get the color and name. So the pant name and the color. Or the hoodie name and the color.
What's the first item?
Yo, can you see under that?
No.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Are you even sticking your hand out?
Yes. Jokum, how many fingers?
Oh.
Do a little fit check. What are you wearing?
St. Woods.
Some notice?
Nike.
Okay. Jokum?
Wait, show the wrist, show the wrist.
Oh.
Daniel Wellington.
Okay. Shout out to who? OBJ?
Shout out OBJ, shout out Kendall Jenner.
OVO Babe hoodie.
Here are the first 2 items that they're gonna have to guess. We're gonna give each hoodie to one person.
Hands out, boys.
Hands out. First person to say it. And the color.
Scully hoodie, black.
Wrong.
CLB hoodie block.
Ooh!
Oh, you got it right.
Oh, so quick.
I just felt the rose. I felt the rose instantly, and then the black and gray are different fabrics. And you can feel the
No way.
You were talking shit earlier.
You're only 1 up, bro. 1-0 lead. Chill.
Okay, so 1 point Eris, first to 6.
Oh, dude. I think I know this.
OVO t-shirt.
OVO Fest shirt.
Nope.
Oh, dude. It's like so much screen.
What are you feeling? Describe it.
It's like so thin. Oh, this is long sleeve. Oh, dude. Kawhi shirt.
Yep, got him. The next 2. You ready, guys?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready?
Oh, OG Owl.
Yep. What one?
OG Owl.
Canada.
UK.
Canada.
Go, Jokum.
No, let's go.
He said UK too.
Who said it first?
I said Canada, bro.
Roll back that.
Yeah, we have to roll it back.
Hey.
All right, so after reviewing the film, the winner of that round goes to Jokum
Let's go.
with the
What?
Canada.
I said UK first.
Hey, settle down. We got a few more rounds to go. After Eris did take the first round, he was feeling confident, but Jokum came back and is now up on a 2-0 run.
Back to back.
Will it continue? We'll find out. So let's go to the next round. Next up, this is gonna be a tough one. Remember, color. 3, 2, 1.
Black.
Yep.
OVO take a cards. Wait.
Why? How did you get that so quick?
Ready and go.
Stone Island sweats. Oh, OVO cargos.
OVO surplus beige cargo pants.
Incorrect. What color is?
Green one. The green OVO cargo
Beige.
pants.
Wrong.
Beige.
Ferris got it.
Which ones are these? Oh, this is a black one. Ready, set, go. Oh, these are pants? Still, no. What the hell is this, bro?
Describe what you're feeling.
Drawstrings.
For
No.
the demons.
No.
Wow.
Screen printing? What?
How'd you get that?
Because I just felt screen print all over.
All on the back?
Dude, what the hell is this?
Still can't get it.
What the hell is this? This is for 2 points?
Nope.
Oh,
OVO Roots Varsity.
What year?
OVO Roots
2016.
2017.
Wrong.
2017.
Eris got it.
2014.
Yeah, I can feel the fucking stars.
Oh my god.
Alright, so this one, you guys know how much I do like this item right here. Or should I say both of these? Good luck, guys.
Oh, OVO
Script jacket
script
white.
jacket.
Yep. Jokum got it. The white one. Alright, next 2 quick rounds on these ones. Remember, name and color.
Oh, gloves black.
Orange.
Eris got it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
CLB hat.
Jokum.
No.
Yep.
Oh, CLB hat, yeah.
So it looks like this one's gonna be going the distance. As you can see, Eris is stressed out in the corner. Joachim's staying focused right now. How you feeling right now?
You know, I think I'm like the underdog. I think I got this.
Okay. You ready?
3, 2, 1.
What you feel?
Oh my gosh.
CLB black.
Wrong.
No,
CLB
dude.
gray.
Wrong.
Dude, what is this? Oh.
What you feeling, guys? What you feeling?
It's like
It says OVO. Is it the
Yeah.
flower OVO? Like the green one you had?
There you go. Cheers!
Damn.
Eris.
Holy. Damn, what is this?
That's
bro?
it. That's game.
Wait, what did I get?
Blindfolds
What is this
off?
though?
That's game.
Blindfolds off?
Okay, how you feeling?
What is this?
Okay, leave me hanging.
Oh yeah.
He's been under that mask for like 30 minutes.
Oh, the pink hoodie, bro. I knew it was something.
Nice try.
Oh, no kid.
Alright, so that was it for the OVO guessing game. Eris came through with the W. You know what? That was a good round.
was
Maybe
tough, yeah.
maybe we'll do
part
me and
2?
Isaac next. For
I'm
part
down.
2.
I'm
If you
down.
guys enjoy this video.
Smash the like button if you want a part 2.
Yes.
Subscribe, stay tuned.
Yep.
All the updates.
Peace.
Ooh.